Sleep apnea is an inability to maintain normal ventilation during sleep.
Oftentimes there's very dramatic snoring, gasping, and choking in the night.
Why it's important to treat sleep apnea is the longer-term consequences, and that's where the associations with heart disease, metabolic disease,
Higher risk of stroke, coronary disease, heart attack. Really, for the first time in this disease, we have a treatment that patients will be willing to use. The long-term consequences of sleep apnea will be reduced. It's comfortable, it's well tolerated. Patients can sleep in a variety of positions. It's just a perfect treatment.
This is amazing. I really think that if this works, this will be the answer for 99% of them. They'll never go back to using that Star Wars piece on their head again. When I see this, I say, how can that possibly get the air in me?
The nose buds, they're easy to insert. Really, it's one hand, grab it, stick it in your nose, you're done. The molded silicone rubber is extremely pliable. Everybody that we've tested it with has found it very comfortable.